everybody. Today I'm with Samantha Dry from Discovery. And Samantha's going to chat to us about insurance. So when you purchase a property, you do need certain insurances. For instance, you'll need life cover, short-term insurance, content and building insurance, and vehicle insurance. So Sam will discuss a little bit more regarding that. Over to you, Sam.
Hello everyone, thank you Melissa. So yes, as Melissa said, in insurance and purchasing a home you need certain insurances. The first is life insurance, and with life insurance you have the death benefit, disability and severe illness. And so that means that in the event of your passing, a portion of the fund, if let's just say you take out the sum insured exact to the amount that you owe on the bond. So let's just, for interest sake, say R1 million bond. If you took out 2 million death benefit, 1 million would be ceded to the bank that you have the loan with, and that money upon your death would transfer to the bank. And then we have disability cover and severe illness, as well as income continuation protection. So in the event that you have a disability or get a severe illness, it would also pay should you choose, and in this case we could pay R1 million, so that in the event of any of those things happening, you're able to pay the loan off and the properties in your name, and you don't have the stress of the debt. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing is having a will. Obviously when you're a property owner and you own the assets, in the event of your passing, what becomes of the property? Do you have dependents? Do you have children? Are there testamentary trusts that are necessary to be set up? And then, as you said, short-term insurance, building cover. A lot of the time, banks make clients feel as if they have to take the insurance with them. And in actual fact you don't. You just have to show them a confirmation of cover showing them that they're the finance house, which we note. And I found a lot of the time with my clients transferring them from different insurers that the banks tend to be a bit more expensive on the building and the content cover, and so we're cheaper, and we also offer better benefits and rewards. We've got some really cool cashbacks that we offer. And that's also on the life insurance. And also, if you're interested in saving money on your groceries at Malls and Checkers and all your healthy items from Discom and Clicks, then having Vitality, which can be linked to the life policy and not just the medical aid, which I also do, that you get some really amazing cashbacks. And then if you are a first-time buyer or even a second-time buyer or a fifth-time buyer, it's buy from Melissa because she's the best.
I am.
That Discovery Bank now offers home loans. So, and we have really, I believe, because I've done a lot of transfers with my clients, very competitive rates on the interest rates. So if you guys are looking in the market to purchase and are in need of a loan, of a bond, and in need of life cover, Discovery is a really great product house in that it's so much more convenient. I mean, I don't know if you in the past had, I think you without insurance on the short term. So then when you had a claim, you'd have to call them, right? And be on the call center, but that doesn't happen here.
I've got Sam, he's my direct contact, no call centers.
Yes, no call centers.
Who answers my calls whenever I message, which can be at odd times because I end up coming late home from clients. But Sam is always there to assist, so she is super awesome.
Yeah, so just having a home, getting a bond, needing life insurance, needing short-term insurance, it's important. And especially, I mean, if you have children and you have dependents, what is going to become of that home in the event of your passing? So I mean, the importance of a will, can't stress it enough. So if you're interested, I offer all of these services under one roof, and I'm very friendly,
and very efficient, very helpful. Yeah, no, you are the best.
Cool.
So yeah, if any of you have any more questions, you're welcome to message me. If you want Sam's details, I can also send them to you. And yeah, Thank you so much for your time.
No, thanks for coming to visit me in my garden.
This is a beautiful garden.
I'll
How
also do
is the
I
setting?
do some landscaping as well. At a fee if you'd like.
They're going to have to help me with my garden. Thanks, everybody.
Bye, guys.